Looking at the chart for the yen pairs, so if you look at the chart for the euro yen, you can see that the yen has reversed after the weekend comments from the Prime Minister of Japan, and this was our initial buy signal over here around the 113.60. You can see on the intraday chart that the euro yen has kind of reversed its setup on Friday by giving us what we call a late day reversal, reversing back at towards the tail end of the New York session, and then today continuing from Tokyo. You can see the spike up from Tokyo. You see this momentum spike up followed by a move this afternoon reaching a high of the above the 114 yen. The same pattern is very clear with the pound yen, which was also our buying point was the 136.40, and this also you see those blue dashed lines. These are the price entry points that we depict or identify in our weekly trade planning session, which we do every Sunday, and this is the 136.40, which was the initial buy point this morning in the London session. And you can see also a very similar pattern to the one that we have seen in the euro, the late day reversal in the New York session, followed by this momentum move to the upside, closing near the high of the session, which would have indicated to us that there will be a follow-up move to the upside. This is basically the trade plan that we have identified, and here you can see that our buying point in the euro yen was the 113.16, which I have identified for you on the chart. The first buy point on the pound yen, the long point, the initial long point is 113, the 136.02, and the structure point or the trend changing point is the 136.40. Also the euro dollar, which was part of the term, our buy point was 1.367. It is now trading at 131.70, which is again from the overnight session about 100 pip. And you can see the euro today having this excellent move coming out of the New York session. There is the New York session right here, and you can see the kind of the explosive move that we had, and so far we should be looking for a continuation to the upside. Pretty much the same with the US dollar, the pound dollar. This was our buy signal at 157.06, and there is your move from about 180 pip on that, and this is the trade that we took this morning in London. We took about 100 pips on that trade. We took about 85 pips on that trade. So for tomorrow we should be looking for a possible continuation, but we need to be careful because this is now has been quite an explosive move today, so we still want our bias is to the upside for the pound and the euro. Also interestingly is the pound CAD today has been also quite moving nicely to the upside, but we will discuss this tomorrow. So good luck.